up and down. That's our topic for today's Backstage Pass. Stocks and bonds are down so far today, trading at midday after some modest gains, a modest up day yesterday for both stocks and bonds. So we're kind of on that roller coaster right now, up one day, down the next day. It looked like we might have been setting a trend line up for mortgage bonds, but today, again, we're down. And look, there's some things that are putting some pressure on the markets right now. We'll talk about three of those things. First, oil. OPEC Plus has announced that they're cutting oil production by 2 million barrels a day today. They announced that. That's roughly 2% of the global production daily. And, WTI has responded. WTI is already 11% higher than what it was last week. And so that's creating upward pressure on oil. And we know that those energy prices make their way into goods and services. So that's some upward pressure on inflation. Second, we had Services ISM data that came out today. So yesterday we had manufacturing data, showed manufacturing was slowing. Well, today we got services data, and it's not slowing down. As a matter of fact, services showed growth for the 28th month in a row for the month of September. And so the services data that came out is also kind of flashing still some inflationary pressure. And then the last thing that we got out today, well, that was the jobs report from ADP. ADP was expected to show 200,000 job creations for September, showed 208,000 instead of 200,000. And also the previous month of August was revised higher as well, showed that wages were going up, also month over month. So all of these things combined, the bond market just couldn't handle it. There's a lot of inflationary indicators in all of these items today. So mortgage bonds are reacting adversely, as you might expect. Mortgage bonds are down 66 basis points today. The 10-year yield is up 13 basis points. Mortgage rates have opened up higher today. Yesterday, the national average for a 30-year fixed rate mortgage was about 6.65%. Today, we're opened up higher. We've already had a reprice for the worse during the day today, and we could see some repricing for the worse as the day continues. Look, the last big item for the week as far as the market goes, well, that's going to be the Bls Jobs Report that comes out on Friday. It's hard to tell if the ADP report is going to correlate with the Bls Jobs Report. We won't know until the data comes out, but it is going to be very closely watched and will probably be a definitive number for the week next week as far as trading and things like that in the markets, in the bond market. So that's what we're going to be looking for. That's all the news that we have for today, though. Remember to stay positive. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.